This story is about a beautiful lady who complained to her psychiatrist that she felt that her whole life was empty and it had no meaning. Counselor called over the old lady who cleaned the office floors. The counselor then said to the rich lady, "I am going to ask Mary here to tell us how she found happiness. All I want you to do is to listen to her." So the old lady put down her broom and sat on a chair and told her story. "Well, my husband died of malaria, and 3 months later, my only son was killed by a car. I had nobody, I had nothing left. I could not sleep, I could not eat. I never smiled at anyone. I even thought of taking my own life. Then one evening, a little kitten followed me home from work. I felt sorry for that kitten. It was cold outside, so I decided to let the kitten in. I got some milk and the kitten licked the plate clean. Then it rubbed against my leg, and for the first time in months, I smiled. Then I stopped to think, if helping a little kitten could make me smile, maybe doing something for people could make me even more happy." So the next day, I baked some biscuit and took them to a neighbor who was sick in bed. Every day, I tried to do something nice for someone. It made me so happy to see them happy. Today, I don't know of anybody who sleeps and eats better than I do. I have found happiness by giving it to others. When she heard this, the rich lady cried. She had everything that money could buy, but she had lost the things which money cannot buy. The beauty of life does not depend on how happy you are, but on how happy others can be because of you. Happiness is not a destination, it's a journey. Happiness is not tomorrow, it is now. Happiness is not dependency, it is a decision. Happiness is what you are, not what you have. So the moral of the story is, well, I don't belong to a group which says money is nothing in this life. I do feel that we need money to lead a comfortable life and a life full of choices. But what this story tells us is about giving and finding happiness. Don't underestimate the power of giving. The more you give, the more you will receive. This is true about happiness and money. One fact of life is that happiness and money are not interlinked. Even without money, we can be happy. And we can be unhappy with loads of money. The philosophy here is that if you do good for someone that make him or her happy, then the universe will conspire to make you happy as well. However, the underlying thought while doing good for someone should be selfless. Do good for someone without any expectation, and your life will be full of happiness and bliss. If you want to learn more about this, then you can watch my video, Benefit of Being Selfless.